In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscriber count and transparent live chat on OBS Studio 2026. Live stream OBS guide. First, let's bring your live subscriber count into OBS. Open YouTube Studio in your browser, head to Analytics, and click See Live Count. This page updates in real time, which makes it perfect for an on-stream display. Copy the URL of that live count page. Now switch to OBS. In your scene, click the plus icon under Sources and choose Browser. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Then paste the URL into the URL field. Set the width and height to 1920 by 1080 to match a standard Full HD canvas. If your base canvas is different, feel free to use your exact canvas size instead for sharper rendering. After you add it, right-click the new browser source and select Interact. A mini browser window will appear. Sign into your YouTube account there so the widget can display your channel's data. Once it loads, you should see your live subscriber count directly in OBS. To make it look clean, hold the Alt key and drag the edges of the source to crop out any extra page elements. If you prefer, you can open the browser source properties and use custom CSS to make any solid background fully transparent, which helps it blend into your layout. Position and scale it where you want, then lock the source to prevent accidental moves. Next, let's add a transparent live chat. Log into either Stream Elements or Streamlabs in your web browser. Go to the widgets section and select Chatbox or your Stream Chat. Choose a transparent theme, or set the background opacity to 0% so only the messages appear on screen. Tweak font, message duration, and moderation filters as needed for readability. When you're happy with the look, copy the generated widget URL. Back in OBS, add another browser source and name it Chat so it's easy to identify. Paste the widget link into the URL field. Set the width to roughly 600 to 800, depending on how wide you want the chat column, and pick a height that fits your layout. Place it on your canvas, test by sending a message in your stream's chat, and confirm messages appear with a transparent background. Before going live, do a quick unlisted or private test stream to check sizing, legibility, and performance. With your live subscriber count and transparent chat setup, your stream will look polished, informative, and viewer-friendly.